Hello, I'm Julia, a product trainer with Oxford University Press, and I'm here today to tell you about University Press Scholarship Online. Launched in 2011, University Press Scholarship Online is a fully cross-searchable online library of research monographs from leading university presses around the world. In addition to the renowned content from Oxford Scholarship Online, Oxford University Press has teamed up with 24 of the most prestigious university presses around the world to make exceptional works easily accessible and highly discoverable via a single online platform. The site houses tens of thousands of titles across more than 30 subject areas and is updated with Oxford Scholarship Online content monthly, as well as 3 times per year for our partner press content. Let me show you around the site. Across the top bar, there are a variety of tabs to support you. The About section gives information about the product together with information for authors. In the News section, there is information about the latest titles added to the platform. The Partner Press link will lead you to a short description about each press, and in Subscriber Services, a librarian can find information they need to support the administration of the platform, such as MARC records, usage, and implementation setup. Below the bar is the login and sign up for a personal profile or My Work, with brief sign-in details separate to those used to provide access to the site. You can save searches, books, and chapters for usage later in your research. The University Press Scholarship Online banner image located at the top of every page will return you to the home page. There are 3 methods to search content: by keyword search, browse by subject, or browsing by partner press, utilizing the links to the presses on the right-hand menu. On the left side of the page is basic statistical information about the platform. In the middle, there is the featured title of the month, and on the right-hand menu, in addition to the partner presses, is a title list and the news feed, which can be subscribed to through the RSS logo. To browse by subject, click on the arrow next to Browse and select a subject. On the subject page, there is an interactive carousel which includes highlighted titles. There is a title list for this subject area located below, which can be subscribed to through an RSS feed or downloaded as a PDF or Excel file. The results on this page can be narrowed by availability, press, subdiscipline, and publication date. For this search, I will narrow our search to poetry. Results can be sorted by title, date, and author. They can be printed, shared, and also downloaded as a title list. Let's look at the available detail in a title. You will now see that the University Press Scholarship Online banner has become smaller, and it has been replaced by the Oxford Scholarship Online banner image. This indicates which University Press content you are viewing. As before, clicking the University Press Scholarship Online banner image will take you to the University Press Scholarship Online homepage, and clicking on the Presses banner image will take you to that Presses homepage. At the top of the book page, you will find bibliographic information, abstract, and keywords. These keywords, when clicked, will perform a fresh search within the platform for any other books which share that keyword. Each book has a DOI, which provides a permanent link back to the book. This is ideal for adding books to a learning management system, directing students to titles without the worry that the link may change. Author information is located on the right side together with any university affiliation. Below the book information is the table of contents, including front and end matter, which is expandable. Once you are in the chapter, the table of contents now moves to the left-hand side, and for each chapter there is high-level information about the book at the top of the page. An abstract and keywords for the chapter appear next together with the DOI specific for this chapter. Any citations or footnotes within the chapter are hyperlinked to the references. When OpenURL is set up, all notes and references are searchable through your institution's resources. When you wish to save information for a later time, there are options. You can print as a PDF, which will open in a new window. You can also print the page, save to your personal profile, cite, in which a pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the format for citation that you wish to download, or allow you to export the citation to various citation managers. Finally, you have the option to email or share a link to this article through social media. I will use the University Press Scholarship Online banner to go back to the homepage. There are other manners of searching for content. Keyword searching will search for that word or phrase within the full text of the books available on University Press Scholarship Online, bringing back any related material. Results on these pages can be alternated between books and chapters. This allows a searcher to find content that may not be available within a book, but a single chapter within a book on a closely related topic. Refining options are the same as when you browse to a subject area, including options for availability, subject, and partner press. If your institution only provides access to one or a few partner presses, there is an individual landing page for each. Each partner press homepage holds the same information as on the main University Press page, so it is easy to navigate. The title list is available for download on the right-hand side panel. When searching from the Partner Press page, there are two options for the keyword search. You can either search across all partner presses on University Press Scholarship Online or by just that partner press. The browsing function is customized to cover only those subjects covered by that partner press. As we saw before, you have the option to return to the homepage of the press or the overall University Press Scholarship Online page at the top left section of the page. At the end of your research, you can locate all your saved chapters and books in the My Work folder for retrieval at a later time. This concludes this tour of University Press Scholarship Online. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at customertraining@oup.com.